$180 per day equals $5,400 per month, or $64,800 per year. That is a lot of money for most people. That's life-changing. So in today's video, what I want to do is I want to show you how to make $180 per day to stay at home and make that quarantine money. Would $65,000 per year change your life completely? Is that more than you've ever made in one single year? If it is, and this is life-changing, this video right now that I'm going to show you, it's very simple. Anybody can do this. What I want you to do, not only change your life, I want you to go out there and change somebody else's life as well. Here's how you do it. All you got to do, down below this video, share this video over on Facebook, Reddit, Twitter, anywhere. Go share it with your friends, family, and your community, because I can tell you right now, helping other people make money and better their life is one of the best things you're ever going to do. So go and do that now. So if you're ready to see how you can easily make $180 per day by staying at home and making some quarantine money, then first, smash that thumbs up button. Helps with this video. And now, let's jump into it. Alright, so how do you make $180 per day? What can I do? Well, there's a website out there. This website is called Etsy.com. Anybody can join, anybody can use it. Now with Etsy, what you're selling is more personalized stuff, handcrafted, vintage, custom, and unique. That's what Etsy is all about. And I want to show you something because you don't really have to make anything. You really don't. Okay? It's very simple, and I'm going to walk you through the process. But on Etsy, what they allow you to do is sell something called a printable. Now, a printable is essentially just a product that can be printed. Okay? It can be printed. Somebody will go and buy it. They will download the file, and then they will go and click print on their own printer, and they'll print off a bunch of documents, or like a daily planner. They got this greenery wedding thing. They got this homeschool schedule, which is big right now. Okay, so they will go and print this stuff off. So the nice thing about this is you never have to do much of the work at all. You just create it one time, create these printable documents, and I'm going to give you some examples in just a second, but you create these, and then all you have to do is sell them. The best part about this, you can even run ads, which makes it very simple, very easy. Let me show you. Okay, go to Etsy.com and just type in printable, and come down here, and you can even come across the top if you want to. I'm just going to go right down this page. I'm just going to come down here, okay? And you can see all these different things that you can print. Okay, look at this one. Printable, printed greenery for a water bottle for weddings. This one has to be personalized, so that's probably, maybe you don't want to do that much work, and I get it. So we're not going to look at that one. But there's a bunch of these, all right? Let me show you what I mean. This one right here, being everybody is quarantined. I live in Washington State. In Washington State, most schools are shut down. Shut down for the year. We're not going back to school, right? And so if you got kids, so I have a first grader, and so this is one of the things, I actually did this. We were asked, or we were recommended to go and download this, and it helps with just math, right? And so obviously I did that. I paid the $3.75, came over here, and I bought this. Okay? Very simple. And you go and print all these out. Here's the cool part. Let me show you this. Okay? This one right here from Kids Math Zone has 2,190 sales. It's a 5-star review. Okay? $3.75. Etsy's going to take, they take 20% or 20 cents for one listing. So you go and list it one time, and they take 20 cents initially right off the bat. The next thing is they charge 5%. Okay? So this person's going to make $3.56 off every single sale from this Kids Math Zone, from this first grade thing. Okay? They have made 2,190 sales. Okay? 2,190. This one right here has made them $7,801.87. Okay? For something that they just created one time. It's 120 math worksheets. Okay? They created it one time, and they can sell over and over and over again. This is an incredible passive income stream. And if you aren't making money from home, you're not making money doing something, try this because it works. Let me show you another thing. Maybe you don't want to make kids math workbooks, math worksheets. Fine. This is border paper. It's a printable pack 24, okay? 8.5 by 11, 1-inch border printable digital paper, okay? Look at this. You get this border paper. That's all it is. 24 different designs. It costs $4.99, okay? Let's bring up the calculator again, okay? $4.99, 95%. They make $4.74 times 26, 771. This person has made $126,972.92. That's pretty good for something that they're gonna print. It is border paper. Simple. Okay? Maybe you don't have an interest in that. That's fine. Maybe you're really good at just working out. You're just an incredible trainer. Gyms are closed. How do I make money? What do I do? Well, consider a workout tracker. This one right here. Again, let's pull up the trusty. We'll look at the page first, then we'll pull up the trusty calculator. But you see right here, okay? Look at this. Look at this. Workout tracker. A5, A4, letter size, PDF, instant download. Cool. There you go. January, February, March. Looks cool. Has a date. All right. What else is it? There you go. Set your workout schedule. Set your workout goal. Okay, some tips. Rate your workouts. All right, there we go. Nice. I like it. Looks pretty cool. Instant download. Download A4, A5 letter sizes, right? You see down here all these purchase the item. Excited to use the workout tracker. All right, cool. This person right here. 24,000 sales. Okay? So 266 times 0.95. Okay? There we go. Times 754 sales. This person has made $62,553.35 with this. With printables. Okay? That is what I'm talking about. So many people don't understand how much money you can be making from this. Okay? Let me show you this right here. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can make these all for free. Okay, printable baby shower. Okay, printable baby shower. That's it. Look at this. Actually, let's do game. There we go. Okay, I like to do games. I do have a bunch of listings on Etsy right now. I'm not going to tell you what they are, but they're games. Okay, it's a certain niche, very specific, and I like to do games. It's just easier. You only have to create a handful of them, and they sell really well. Okay, look at this one. Instant download baby shower, right? Okay, let's look at this one really quick. Guess who? Mommy or daddy, right? Pretty simple. Instant download. There you go. You see it right there. You can even create something almost the exact same as this. Maybe a little bit different. Don't just copy them, but you get the idea, right? So let's say this is what you're gonna do, right? So this right here, let's pull up the calculator. This person, 343 times 0.95 equals $3.25. Okay, and let's multiply that by 5,817 equals $18,954. If you don't think you can make at least $180 per day, $5,400 per month, or $64,800 in a year making printables, you're wrong. You can easily do that and much more. Let me show you something, okay? This right here, all you have to do right here is go to a website called Canva.com, and you can create everything in Canva. It's absolutely free, okay? So you can come over here and make anything you want. Now I use this quite a bit for just different things that I do, okay? But you can come over here and do this exact same thing. Maybe you want to make something like maybe there's an Easter game, right? So we're gonna come over here. Let's click on this little thing. It's gonna pop it up, this little template, and we're gonna start using it, right? So we'll let that load really quick. I think with a lot more people being out of work, out of school, everyone's online, it's slowing down the internet. It's been doing that for a while, so no big deal. But the nice thing about this is you can create these little printable border papers. Okay, you can do that. You can create these workout plans. Okay, maybe you want to be very specific and it's just ab exercises. Be very specific. Okay, but the nice thing about this, you can come here using Canva, and you can design all this stuff. You can make it, unique, make it a little bit different. Now this is going to have a watermark on it. We can remove that later on, or change the image would be better. Let's say we want to Easter hunting. Let's do virtual Easter hunting, right? Let's say we're going to make something just different. Now Easter's over, but this would have been something that you could have done. You could have done, virtual Easter egg hunting, right? Easter egg hunting. Okay, something like that. And then you go and on some of the pages, you go and you hide the different eggs. You hide it in put like an egg over here, okay? And you just make it a fun little game. But you can do this. You don't have to be some type of designer. You don't have to be the best with Photoshop and all this stuff. You just don't. Okay? Make it different, make it unique, put it on Etsy, make it a printable, and sell it. Now, what do you sell it for? Well, I'm going to give you some tips in just a second, and I'm going to tell you what to sell things for to get more sales. Also give you a few tips on how to make a little bit more money doing this exact same thing. So, what should you sell a printable for? Now, here's what I like to do. Now, I usually set my prices usually about $3.99. Okay, that's usually where I start. $3.99, you get 95% of that. It's still good money, right? Especially if you sell a bunch. But here's what you need to understand. Price it at $3.99 to start. And I say this because you can always, run a little bit of a sale, a little bit of a discount, or one of the things you can do, if it's selling really well and you think you can add even more value, you can increase the price later on. Okay, so $3.99 is a great starter. Also, at $3.99, that doesn't mean you have to have 50 different pages of printable worksheets or documents. You just don't need it. Okay, at $3.99, you could easily do like a 3, 4, maybe 5 page workout plan, a little journal, a little chart, something like that. That's fine. Okay, that's stuff that they might not be able to get anywhere else. Okay, so I'd recommend $3.99 to start, and then if you want to run a discount, you can. If you want to increase the price, you can always do that as well. The next tip that I have for you guys when doing this exact same business idea is to put the word printable in the actual title, and also put it in the description of your listing. I say this because a lot of people don't do it. A lot of people just go on there and you'll think, okay, this obviously makes sense. It's going to be a printable idea, printable, design, whatever. Hopefully they know they have to download it. And and going through some kind of research of my own and some A/B testing, if you will, I found out that by not putting printable in the title and in the description of the listing, or saying instant download, what I've noticed is some people are waiting for it. And then I get a message later on like, where's my stuff? I've been waiting weeks, it's never showed up, but it's a printable product. It's an instant download, PDF, whatever. Okay, it's instant, it's right there. As soon as you pay for it, you can download it. Some people pay for it, they go off the internet, go do something else, completely forget about it for a while, and then I get the message, hey, where's my product? But it's a printable design. It's printable, which means you can get it that day, that second, as soon as you pay for it. Okay, so go and let people know. For one, it's going to help with your rating. And the second thing, by putting printable in the title and in the description of your listing, what happens is when someone types in printable on their computer, hopefully your sale, your product will show up towards the top of the search. Okay, so that's another tip for you guys. The next tip, and this is probably the biggest one, this is probably the main reason why I've been so successful with this, is I go out and I try to find either a popular, and when I say popular, I'm saying somebody that gets a decent amount of traffic, but I go and try to find either a popular YouTuber or a popular Instagram person, okay, Instagram account. And what I do is I offer to pay them a small fee or small percentage of the sales that they can attract to my listing. Okay, and so the way I do this is I just let people know, okay, this is a brand new product. I'm just going to release it, in a few days, whatever. Would you be willing to run an Instagram story and give a link to my product? If you do, I'll give you X amount of dollars. Okay, I'll pay you just flat fee. 15 bucks, 20 bucks. $20 is not a lot of money. $20 to have somebody with, let's say, 50,000 Instagram followers go and post a link to your product and talk about it inside of an Instagram story, maybe even do a post on it, put it in their bio, whatever, okay? To have somebody do that, you pay $20, you might get 50, 100, a few hundred sales from one person mentioning your product one single time. And so that's what I did. Is I went out and I reached out to some Instagram influencers. I also reached out to a couple YouTube influencers talking about, my different product and inside their category, inside their niche, their topic, and it works. So it doesn't matter if you're talking about weddings, working out, fitness, cooking, daily to-do lists, whatever. Okay, the printables that you can find on Etsy are seriously limitless. There's bachelor parties, bachelorette parties, divorce parties. There's so many different things, okay? I like games. I like playing some of these games. That's why we create them, okay? So if you have any questions on this, let me know. I can help you out. All you got to do is ask your question down in the comment section below. But like I said, if you love money, this is one of the best things you can do to make money right now is to start creating printable designs. $180 per day is not a lot of sales. It just isn't. So here's what I recommend you do. Because on average, most people are going to make about $4 per sale. And that's after Etsy takes their fee. So if you make $4 per sale, to make $180, you need 45 sales per day. That is a decent amount of sales. You're probably thinking, that's a lot. How do I get that many? Here's how you do it. You reach out to some of these accounts that you follow, whether it's on Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook. And you reach out and you let them know, hey, I have this new product. I would really like to pay for you to do a shout out on your channel, on your account. Would you be willing to do that? And if so, how much does it cost? Okay. If I never got into influencers, it would take me much longer to become a little bit more successful, start making money from this strategy. But I can tell you right now, there's days where I've made 50, 60, 70 bucks. Not much. There's days where I didn't make a single thing when I was first starting out. But then there was also days where I'd make, $500, $600, $700 on one single shout out by talking about the different products that I had. And so that's what I recommend you do. You pay a little bit. Again, you're not doing anything. You can make money staying at home. Again, this is quarantine money. You make money by paying somebody 10 bucks. Say, hey, can you do a shout out on your Instagram story? Can you also put my link inside your bio and I'll give you a post to share with your followers? Can you do that? I'll pay 10 bucks. Say they have 25,000 followers on their account. What's the likelihood that you get 45 sales? Pretty good. It's very good. So again, I know this is different. It's something that you've probably never seen before. It's probably a brand new idea, but it works. And the only reason I'm giving it to you, okay, is because I want you to make money. I understand the more money you make, probably the more money I'll make. So there you have it, guys. If you have any questions on this strategy, let me know. I can help you out any way that I can, but you have to ask the questions down in the comment section below. But like I said, go and share this video. There's a link down below this video. It says share. Click that button and share this video on Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, anywhere you want to share it. Go and share it. Let other people know. This is an incredible way to make some money while you're stuck at home. So again, if you have any questions, let me know. If you enjoyed today's video and you learned something, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.